Welcome to this video about Cloudflare Workers, a powerful platform for building APIs. Let's start with some context. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and it's essentially a set of rules and protocols that allow different software systems to communicate with each other. They're an essential part of many modern applications, as they allow different pieces of software to share data and functionality. There are many different ways to build APIs, but Cloudflare Workers offers some unique benefits that make it a great choice for many new developers. One of the main advantages of Cloudflare Workers is speed. Because the platform is built on top of Cloudflare's global network of data centers, your APIs can be accessed from anywhere in the world with minimal latency. This is especially important for applications that need to be highly responsive, such as real-time chat or gaming applications. Another benefit of Cloudflare Workers is its scalability. The platform is designed to handle huge amounts of traffic, so you don't have to worry about your API going down or becoming unresponsive when demand spikes. This makes it a great choice for applications that need to be highly available and reliable. In addition to the physical speed of the API, another advantage of using Cloudflare Workers for building APIs is the speed of development. The platform makes it easy to get started quickly with a simple, intuitive interface and a wide range of documentation and resources to help you along the way. Now that we've talked about some of the benefits of using Cloudflare Workers for building APIs, let's walk through the process of setting up your first API. The first step is to sign up for a Cloudflare account. This is free and only takes a few minutes. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard for your account. From the dashboard, click on the Workers tab in the menu. This will take you to the Cloudflare Workers dashboard, where you can manage your worker scripts and routines. First, we're going to set up our subdomain. So you're going to come over to Workers. I'm just going to type. This would be for me. I'm going to click Set Up. Then obviously, I think we want the free plan since we're just getting started, but you can just buy the paid plan. It's like $5. And it's going to send you a verification email so you can verify your account. So I'm going to do that really quickly. Now that you've verified your email, we're going to go to Workers and then Overview. Over here you can see your total requests, so this is the free tier. You can see the Analytics Engine Beta, your account IDs, this is useful, and then there's the CLI guide for Wrangler, I'm going to cover that later, and then we have the Discord and the community. So we're going to go up, we're going to go to Create Service. We're just going to name this, like, whatever, like, call it Tutorial. Call it HTTP handler. I'm going to create service. Oh, success! Your service is now deployed globally. So over here we can see our metrics, like gigabyte seconds, our CPU time, and how many requests we get every day. And then up here we can see our deployments, which is every time we change the code or upload something we can see it in here. So it's like git commit history. Our logs, this is pretty useless. It's just for real-time stuff. If you have a custom domain on Cloudflare, you can add it here. Your routes, you can use this to use specific workers, or you can do them inside of your worker code. So we're going to go to Quick Edit. This is the easiest way to do it. Here we have this function, handle request, and all this does is it returns a response, hello world. And then over here, this is part of the Workers API. We can add an event listener, which is like, hey, whenever you go to fetch whatever, and we take the event, we respond to it with this function, which should be the response hello world. So now if we click save and deploy, we can pull up this link. It says hello world. It's pretty simple, honestly. You can also add headers to this response if you want. There's tools for testing this here. You can add headers if you want to make a web request. You can also send a request straight up in here. It'll be like, oh wow, content type. It's really that simple. I'm gonna do a video soon explaining how to use something called R2, which is a way of storing data on Cloudflare. And they also have something called Cloudflare KV, which is key value storage. So that's about it. It's just a simple example. You can use the same basic structure to build like more complex APIs though with additional functionality. I hope it's been helpful. And if you have any questions or you want to learn more about Workers, be sure to check out the resources mentioned in the description below. And I'm going to continue